Greetings, I'm Tim of Govberg, and welcome to the world of Jaeger LeCoultre. Today, I'll be demonstrating a number of features of the 2016 85th Anniversary Reverso collection, namely the quick-release strap spring bars and the quick-release clasp architecture. Now, the fourth generation Jaeger LeCoultre deployant clasp fitted to the 85th Anniversary Reversos incorporates a novel quick-release system. It's found on the underside of the clasp and notes push here. The instruction to push denotes the function of the quick release mechanism. By depressing the mechanism, the user is able to simply withdraw the spring bar from the clasp. On the opposite side, simply pulling from the perforation on the strap completely frees the clasp. The better to conduct do-it-yourself strap swaps at home. It's an easy system that requires absolutely no tools or jeweler's training and keeps the metal beautifully polished and unmarred by intervention of sharp tools. On the underside of the straps, for 2016, Jaeger LeCoultre incorporates pull-tab spring bars such that, again, no tools or specific training are required to remove the straps should you wish to change the look of your watch or undertake close cleaning. Simply hold the watch firmly, depress the trigger, and remove the strap. This can be done on both sides of the watch, so you can rapidly change the configuration and aesthetic of your watch with the broad range of accessory straps offered by Jaeger LeCoultre. You can see this and the entire 2016 85th Anniversary Jaeger LeCoultre Reverso collection on our website, govbergwatches.com.